So for the third major function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, we have the next one, which is number 3. That is, its major function is that it is responsible for the detoxification of drugs and poisons. Recall, class, that the organ within the digestive system which is responsible for the detoxification is the liver. Okay, liver is a part of the digestive system which is responsible for the detoxifications of harmful substances like alcoholic beverages. So remember that liver is an organ that consists of group of cells known as hepatocytes. Hepatocytes are the liver cells. Okay? So these hepatocytes actually are rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the main reason why that the human liver has the ability to detoxify drugs and poisons because they are rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, specifically the hepatocytes. Okay? So, in addition to that, whenever say detoxification, it means that the hepatocytes have the ability to convert harmful substances to a less harmful substance. Okay? So, logically speaking, the more smooth endoplasmic reticulum, then we can say that the higher the rate of detoxification. Hence, you will be more tolerant to drugs and other harmful substances. So, this is an example of the application when it comes to the detoxification of drugs and poisons, in which this is the major function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? So, in addition to that, number 4, another function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that it serves as the storage of calcium ions. So, symbol for calcium ion will be Ca2 positive. So let's assume, class, that this illustration will be a certain portion of the muscle cell. Okay? So let's say you have a certain portion of muscle cell in which we have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? So the main function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum among the muscle cells is that it has the ability to pump calcium ion from the cytoplasm. So this region is the cytoplasm. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum pumps the calcium ion towards the endoplasmic reticulum derived from the cytoplasm, and it has the ability to pump calcium ions from the endoplasmic reticulum to the cytoplasm. So therefore, there is a reverse direction when it comes to the movement of calcium ions. So the pumping of calcium ions will result to muscle contraction. And this muscle contraction is very important for the body movement. Remember, class, that body movement will not be possible without muscle contraction. But this muscle contraction will not be possible if there will be no pumping of calcium ions between the smooth ER and the cytoplasm. Okay? So these are the 4 major functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So number 1, metabolism of carbohydrates. Number 2, synthesis of lipids. And as a result, since they have this ability, so we can have a nickname for the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is the manufacturing plant of the cell. In continuation, we have number 3, detoxification of drugs and poisons, in which hepatocytes or the liver cells, they have rich SER, and as a result, they can detoxify harmful substances. And the number 4 will be the storage of calcium ions that will be pumped from SER to cytoplasm, resulting to muscle contraction, which is responsible for the body movement. So, for the next video, we will discuss the rough endoplasmic reticulum.